Hello and welcome to Mellow Labs. It's January 1st, Happy New Year, and I wanted to make a video that isn't just a regular project video because it's the start of the year. So I decided to make just a giant thank you video to everyone. In October 2022, I decided to quit my job. There was a few reasons for it. My mental health and my physical health were declining. I was just not in a very good place at all. So I saved up some money and I quit. I decided I'd rather be doing this YouTube thing, which at the time had like 300 subscribers for like 20 hours a day, than doing this 8 hour a day job that I literally had to get surgery for because pain. And the fact that in that year, over 5,000 of you have decided to support me here by just subscribing, liking, commenting, you have no idea how grateful I am. God damn it. No, not like this. It was pretty tough in the beginning just because I have a somewhat paranoid mind. So the idea of like running through all my money and not getting anywhere and just ended up being homeless on the street somewhere, it just nagged me for a really long time. But God damn it. Through all that, I've realized that the family and friends I have, they would support me no matter what. So there's a few people I have to shout out. Damn it. First of all, my partner, who's been with me for coming up to 12 years now, and they have seen me at my absolute lowest and have always helped me back up. They are the glue that kind of holds all of this together, and I honestly don't know where I would be. Fuck. I wouldn't be here without them. My life would have taken a completely different turn if they weren't in it. So, thank you. I love you. They're not home right now. I've decided that nobody will know about this video until it comes out. I also have to thank my entire family because they've always been there for me when I needed support, and they've supported this weird YouTube thing, even though like they know I'm not stupid. They know I wouldn't pursue something that I knew wouldn't have any future prospects, but they have supported me all the way. Thank you. Shout out to a few of my friends, Cloud, who's just always been there, like a cloud. He just kind of appeared one day and just never left. I don't get it. But for real, he's just been a huge supporter of this, and let's go. He knows what it means. Also, Joseph, who is probably the latest member of my friend group, but has just made himself completely indisposable. He's been my cameraman for like a few videos now. He started on the boat video because I needed a person in the boat holding the camera. And recently we did Smurf together, which I still cannot thank him enough. He was like half sick during the entire 2 days, and he drove for like 8 hours. I honestly can't thank him enough. And he's just taken on like a more producer role on this channel. So yeah, you'll probably most likely see him like in my live streams helping me out with stuff. Again, I cannot thank you enough. Thank you for all that you do. And most notably, I have to thank my Patreon supporters. I cannot thank you guys enough. There have been times where I've actually had to choose between like food and project budget, which is not a comfortable position to be in. So I can never express how thankful I am for you guys just donating as much as you do. I try to talk to most of you on Discord or on Patreon. Some of you are really cool people that make really cool things. Like, I honestly can't thank you all enough. It means so much, and it takes such a huge burden off of my mind. Thank you. Thank you so much. To finish it off, I just want to say again, a huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed, commented, liked, shared, who has told other people about me. You have no idea how much that helps as well. Just letting other people know, like, hey, look at this weirdo doing cool shit. I thank you. Thank you all. I have so much cool stuff planned for this year, and some of the videos are already available on Patreon. But yeah, join me next week for the live stream, and again, I can never be thankful enough. Thank you all. Happy New Year. So I left. It's like 2 something in the morning. I think it's exactly 2 in the morning. And I just left. Bye bye.